If you're looking for working Pocket FM promo codes that can give you bonus coins, discounts, or other rewards, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you where to find Pocket FM promotional offers, how to enter a promo code, and what to do if your code doesn't work. Keep in mind that Pocket FM promo codes can be limited time offers and availability may depend on your account, region, or the promotion itself. Let's begin. Once you are logged in, I want you to hover to the My Store section. This is one of the most important places to check because Pocket FM itself recommends checking My Store for ongoing offers and promotions. Here you will find different coin packages, special promotions, discounts, and other offers available to your account. Depending on your region, location, or account type, Pocket FM may show bonus coins promotions where you receive additional coins when purchasing a particular package. And one of the easiest ways is to visit the official Pocket FM website and check the current store offers. You see that right now it offers 5% extra coins on purchases made through the pocketfm.com. Although, please keep in mind, offers can change over time. So if you're planning to purchase coins, it's worth comparing the offers available on the website with what you are seeing inside the mobile app. You can also find promo codes through special events and promotions, so be sure to follow Pocket FM social media channels like Facebook. They always announce news and updates, and of course Instagram, where they may have limited time offers and new codes. You can also join their Discord community to stay updated on announcements, events, and exclusive promotions. Now, let me tell you this. You can also find Pocket FM promo codes on third-party websites that share free or promotional codes. However, keep in mind that these codes may have an expiration date, a limited usage period, or may only work for certain users or regions. So before trying a code, always check when it was last updated and whether there are any terms or restrictions. Also be careful when visiting unfamiliar websites. Avoid sites that ask for Pocket FM login details, payment information, or may require you to download suspicious files just to access a code. If a website looks questionable, it's better to skip it and look for another source. But once you've found a promo code that you want to try, open the Pocket FM app and go to My Store. Look for the option to enter or redeem a promo code, then carefully type it in, submit it, and if the code is still active and eligible for your account, the associated offer or reward should be applied. If it doesn't work, the code may have expired, reached its usage limit, or simply may not be valid for your account. And basically, that's how you can find and redeem Pocket FM promo codes and promotional offers. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.